Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to PDF a file in MS Word. The simplest way to convert your document is by using the Save As function. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Then, navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Choose your desired saving location, give your file a name, and from the Save As Type drop-down, select PDF. Finally, click Save to create your new PDF document. This method is quick and straightforward for most users. Another effective method for creating a PDF is by using the Print to PDF option. Begin by clicking on the File tab, then select Print. In the Printer selection drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This acts like a virtual printer, converting your document into a PDF file. After selecting this, click the Print button. A Save Print Output as dialog box will appear. Here, you can name your PDF and choose where to save it. This method is particularly useful for maintaining layout integrity, ensuring your document looks exactly as intended. Microsoft Word also offers a dedicated export feature for creating PDFs, providing excellent control. To use this, click on the File tab and then select Export. You will see an option to create PDF/XPS document. Click the Create PDF/XPS button. A Publish as PDF or XPS dialog box will open. Here, you can name your file, choose its save location, and even access options for specific settings, like optimizing for standard publishing or minimum size. Finally, click Publish to generate your PDF document. Before finalizing your PDF, consider a few advanced options and best practices. Within the Save As or Publish dialog, click Options to set specific parameters. These include selecting a page range or adding document properties. Always ensure your document's formatting is completely final before converting, as making changes in a PDF is difficult. After creation, always open and review the generated PDF to confirm all elements, such as images and text, appear correctly. For sensitive information, consider password protecting your PDF for an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.